I believe that domestic and international charity organizations will help us get a hospital treatment to save our lives.
We pay 600 birr per one injection. People helped me buy that. My blood used to clot. I would have died if people hadn't helped me.
These are the patients who used to get treatment at Save a Life for Life Treatment Center. They say they used to get good service before the conflict had erupted.
We used to do the NRIs every 2 weeks and get our medicines as well. We also used to get full scan of our body every year.
After the conflict had broken out, however, the patients expressed how difficult it has been for them as the hospital had ceased offering services.
The medical treatments were overly expensive during the conflict, especially the NRI. We have stopped it for almost 2 years.
We are left to face immense hardship after the conflict erupted. The hospitals ran out of medical supplies as there was no entry of goods.
Save a Life for Life is a health center that was opened 10 years ago, having performed surgical operations on over 85 patients in Sudan and with about 300 permanent patients. Health expert in the center, Nurse Rishan, expresses how their center used to operate before the conflict.
The center used to offer NRI services to patients once or twice a week, but now we can barely offer it every 4 months. We use this machine to balance the medication since we don't have access to it now. We give the patients random amounts knowing the harm it would cause.
The nurse adds that numerous patients have stopped reaching the hospital and that over 8 patients have died when the hospital stopped offering services.
We have lost over 8 patients during the conflict.
Haftom Radda, who used to get treatment in the center, also says he had reached a state where he could not perform basic activities due to lack of medical supplies.
I had to take random amounts of medical treatment as there was no medical equipment used for proper measurements. I suffered from heart clot, causing me improper breathing and heartbeats, as well as restraining my ability to move.